So I think what I'm finally ready to do is the final review of these CX Racing connecting rods here. Yeah, the 2J's out of my IS300 right now. Some shit went down and well, she lost a lot of oil pressure and well, she didn't really lose pressure, but some shit happened. But what I'm gonna throw out to what happened is I have the front sump pan, and the oil level was a little low. It's probably halfway up the safe mark on the dipstick, and I hit the gas pretty hard, and she pulled pretty heavy, and I'm feeling pretty confident that my front sump pan sloshed all the oil to the back of the engine over here, where the pickup's here, and all the oil was back here, dried up, and I cooked some bearings. Well, I had rod knock in this cylinder right here, and I already fixed it, but if you can look at this this rod here, it's not all discolored or anything. There was absolutely no bearing in it. So as a final review for these CX Racing connecting rods here, I'm going to say that these things are actually badass. They held up to a lot of boost, and through the whole rod knock session I didn't cook up my connecting rod and I was able to reuse it. I'm fairly impressed with these rods. They look good. This one's a little discolored, but it looks like oil discoloration. It had a bearing. So yeah, these CX Racing rods are actually savage, and they were a good buy, and it's probably the only reason why I still have a block here.